Let's explore to see how we can automatically add borders around a cell as soon as you add some text in Excel, just like this. Also, we'll see if we can add similar features in Google Sheet. We'll start off with our Excel here in Office. First, you're going to press Ctrl A to select all the cells on your worksheet here. Now you're going to go Home tabs, Style, Conditional Formatting, and click on New Rules. In the New Rules here, you're going to select Use Formula, and the formula you'll be using is equal A1 not equal to double quote. And you're going to go Format, and I'm going to select this border tab here, and then click on Outline, click OK, and OK. Now every time if you enter any text, you can see that every cell with the text in it will have a border around it. Let's look at Google Sheet to see if we can add the same feature. In Google Sheet, you're going to press Ctrl A to select all the cells on your worksheet here. You're going to go Format, Conditional Formatting, and on the far right side, you can see this conditional formatting menu appears, and you can see that there's no selection for borders here. So long and short of it, at this time of this video recording, you cannot dynamically add borders in Google Sheet like in Excel using conditional formatting.